Hi guys, it's Ben from Yamaha Pianos here. So it's day one of the restoration project, and this is the point at which we actually pull everything out. So as you can see here, we've got a fairly naked looking piano, no strings, we have no dampers, all the tuning pins have been removed. What I have done is also remove the old pin bushings. So just down here I've got a selection of the old bushings that were sitting just here where the new ones have been inserted. All the strings have been taken off. I've taken measurements of the different kind of scaling points and where the scale gauges jump up. And the bass strings have been removed. We've left the A-graphs in because we're ordering replacements, but they're yet to arrive yet. But the bass strings have been measured and there's a new set that's been ordered. And all the dampers are out. So tune in next time and we'll have another update.